Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. And to get started, you'll want to hold the power key. From there, select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now. Now when you see the Mi logo on the screen, there we go, you want to let go of the power key as you just seen, and just keep holding volume up. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, we can navigate using volume keys as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options that we have really quickly, we can wipe data, which is a factory reset of the device. We can connect with Mi Assistant, which is just an application, and put the device into safe mode, which is just a troubleshooting mode. Now under wipe data, we have just a wipe data. There is no clear cache or any other option. Now I kind of wanted to check it myself, but yeah, wipe data is all we get here. So anyway, if you want to leave this mode, you can stick with the reboot, which takes you back to Android. So I'm gonna confirm that. Select reboot to system, and let's wait for the device to boot back up. And there we go, as you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.